A balloon garland is the perfect decoration idea to bring to life your doors, entryways, or just a backdrop. Turn heads at your next event with this beautiful display of balloons of various colors and sizes. In this DIY video tutorial, we show every detail necessary for you to reproduce this beautiful masterpiece. Stick around to the end and we will tell you just how much it would cost to make something like this. We start off with 12-inch balloons in 3 complementary colors: green, gold, and white. Feel free to choose the colors that best suit your preference. The process is the same. We will be inflating a large number of balloons, about 300 in total. So, we recommend getting an electric balloon pump to speed things up. To make setting up this arrangement even simpler, we will be using a balloon garland strip tape. It's a long strip of plastic with punched out holes that serve to secure each balloon in place. When choosing balloons for this arrangement, we highly recommend choosing metallic colored balloons. They offer a richer, more luxurious appearance, and they are not significantly more expensive than regular balloons. Balloon garland strips are the best thing since sliced bread for balloon decorators. It gives anyone, no matter your skill level, super decorating powers. It's almost impossible not to have a beautiful balloon garland when using this tool. They are pretty inexpensive and you can order them right on Amazon. Balloon garlands are perhaps responsible for the recent skyrocketing trend in balloon decor. They are pretty inexpensive to make, easy to set up, and exclaim a bold statement at every event. The ability to choose any color or shape makes balloon garlands ideal for any theme. The amazing spectacle that garlands can create has given birth to a burgeoning market. Balloon decorators charge hundreds of dollars for an arrangement like we will show you today. You too can start your own balloon decor business or save a bunch of money with the skills you will learn in this video. Check the description for the total real material cost of this balloon arrangement. Hey, make sure you click like to tell YouTube that we are producing quality content so that they can share it with other balloon lovers just like yourself. Now that you have inflated your balloons, let's show you how to use the balloon garland strip tape. The balloon garland strip comes in a reel of about 16 feet. The length is sufficient for most displays. However, for our arrangement today, we will be using 1 and about 1/3 for a luxurious extended train. When adding your balloons to the garland, insert the mouth of your balloons through the larger hole of the 2-holed punched out slot. Once the mouth of the balloon is inserted through the larger opening, slide it over to the smaller hole to fasten it in. Some balloon garland strips come with only a single hole slot. The double-holed tapes offer better security for each balloon and help to prevent them from falling out. Repeat this for each balloon. alternating the colors as you move along the length of the balloon garland tape. Feel free to skip a hole in the strip as necessary. Ignoring slots creates a more flexible garland, but using all of them produces a fuller look. This aspect of the construction is where you save a lot of time by using the balloon strip tape. The alternate method would require you to tie a knot around every single balloon or wrap the string around pairs or quads of balloons. This method is a time saver. Now let's choose a setup area. This part of the tutorial will show you how to drape your balloon garland like an arch over a door or entranceway. We first start by installing our hooks. We use 2 command hooks as our mounting support. They are easy to install and remove without leaving a scratch on your wall and can bear a decent amount of weight, way more than your balloons. Install them on both sides of the doorway, about a foot above the top of the door. Take your assembled garland to your setup area for installation. If you need to transport your balloons, you can cut your balloon strip into shorter pieces and reassemble on location. You can use a ribbon or string to secure your balloons to the mounting hooks. Wrap your ribbon around the hook. Then tie it firmly around the balloon garland. You may need to wrap the string multiple times around the mount to ensure it is secure. Repeat this for both sides of the door. Our garland strip wasn't long enough for our door, so we filled out about a third of another one and attached it to the end to create a running train effect. We could have completed our balloon garland at this point, but it would be only equivalent to about a $350 balloon garland. To double the price of this setup, we decided to make it an organic balloon garland. This simply means we will be adding balloons of various sizes and colors to enhance the appearance. The steps we will do next will turn this into this. Keep watching to see how, and don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this. To create the organic look, we used a variety of sizes including 5-inch, 8-inch, 12-inch, 18-inch, and 35-inch balloons. Check the description to find links to balloon packs that come with all sizes mentioned for each color. You will need a lot of small balloons and just a few large ones to produce the organic look we are going for. We will start by installing the largest balloons first. Tie a string around the mouth of your balloon, leaving a piece long enough to secure it onto the arrangement. Strategically place balloons all along the length of the entire garland. Placing the large balloons close to the top will give a grand, towering appearance. Metallic gold or silver balloons bring a rich appearance to any color theme. Make sure to take advantage of these colors in your arrangement. Adding in the large balloons has given your garland some texture and character. This bold look will cost you about $550. Once you have tied in all your larger balloons, you can now begin to attach your smaller balloons. Instead of using string, you can secure the smaller balloons to the arrangement by using balloon glue dots. However, we chose to use our low temperature glue gun to provide the adhesive agent to get our small balloons to stick onto the bigger balloons. Stick the small balloons by themselves or stick them close together in clusters of 2, 3, or 4. There is no wrong or right place to attach the balloons. Just make your best effort to evenly distribute the colors and sizes across the entire arrangement in an organic fashion. Before you know it, you would have produced an amazing balloon garland comparable to the TikTok and Instagram decorators. You will be able to charge upwards of $750 for a garland of this size. These fees usually include transportation, labor, and equipment. The prices may vary as much as renting an apartment varies from city to city. Congratulations! If you have been following our step-by-step instructions, you now know how to create your own fancy schmancy big money balloon garland. Glad we could help you save money or make some money. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. It seems you love to see simple designs done beautifully. If that's true, then you will love our next video. We love to create and display unique balloon creations. If you would like to be notified when our next video comes out, hit the like button and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell as well. We will see you next time. In the meantime, visit us at balloonblowout.com and check out our other videos on our channel. Take care.